How to fix TikTok your network is unstable, tap to retry. If the TikTok is showing your network is unstable, tap to retry error, then try this solution. First of all, the first solution here is to check your internet connection. For the newer version of iOS, simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen for the control panel, and for the older version, scroll up from the bottom right corner of the screen and navigate to your control panel. Now here all you have to do is switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists, or simply check if you are connected to your stable Wi-Fi internet connection or not. Also restart your Wi-Fi router or toggle airplane mode on and off in order to fix your internet connection. Now once done so, in your home screen, as you can see there is TikTok app available. Tap on the TikTok app and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now once inside the TikTok app, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now once you do so, in your profile all you have to do is tap on the tree dashboard at the top right corner of your screen, and there will be some options available on your screen. Now tap on the settings and privacy. Once you tap on the settings and privacy, scroll down and look for the free up space option available there, and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the free up space, you can see clear cache option available there. Now clear all the cache of your TikTok. Once cleared, you can simply go back to your home screen. Once on your home screen, look for the App Store for the iPhone and Google Play Store for the Android and simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, in the search address bar, search for the TikTok and hit enter. And tap on the TikTok legitimate app option available there. And if you see update option available, update it to the latest version. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.